water was boiled.
And then all my water was ready, so I went in and did dishes and got supper cooked and then did showers because, yeah, our shower water was ready and my water for dishes and stuff. Yeah, it's sunny. Today, Jeremy had to go to town to upload a video for you guys, so I was able to vacuum in the house, and then I went into the camper and started vacuuming and getting it cleaned out more. Like, there's just a lot of things that need to be cleaned in there before we move it to the campground. So I started with Sam's back room. Then we just went to the gym, and now it looks like it's gonna rain soon, so we may move a little bit more wood, and then if it starts raining we'll probably go to town, and we got a lot of paperwork and stuff to do, like just the town close by. So we got to go to the grocery store there, and then we got to go to the Service New Brunswick and get some stuff done, like register our vehicles again and random things like that. So, but we did put a pretty good dent in it yesterday.
All the wood, there's still all that to go over. And then emptying the tents. But we're getting there.
I'm just tidying up some of this mess here from moving the deck. Just gotta clean it all up, move some stuff around. So I'm just tidying up some of this stuff here from where we pulled the deck out yesterday. Save a bunch of these pieces for the fire and stuff. Now if that's done, I'll just go get some more wood. Keep piling it back there. Another successful day. We went to town and got a bunch of paperwork and stuff done. I just mean like the local town, like really close, not far from here. We spoke to the well guy. He's gonna come next week and hopefully start the well as soon as the driveway is done. And the guy who's doing our driveway actually showed up today and said that he'll be starting on Monday. So the well guy's gonna come sometime between now and Monday, look at the property, figure out where he's gonna put the well. And then next week, as soon as the driveway is done, he'll be coming with his big truck to do the well. So that's awesome. Huge news for us. Tomorrow, we have the internet people coming. So Jeremy has to go to the hospital and do some x-rays, and I usually go with him to his appointments, but I won't be going because they say that the internet people will be here sometime between 8 a.m. and 4 p.m. Gotta love that timing. So I'll stay home and load wood while I wait for him.
We'll go live sometime soon.
Yep. So it's raining. Like I said, this morning I cleaned the camper, vacuumed in the camper, started wiping out her back bedroom, which is in that section, and vacuumed in the house, and then stacked a little bit of wood. Then we went into the town here, got some groceries. We bought our windows too for the addition. The local home hardware had some great prices on some windows, so we went in and bought those today. And then I've just been lugging some more wood. It's starting to pour the rain now, but it's like 6 o'clock at night, so when we got home from town, I made some supper, unpacked our groceries, and then started loading wood. And I don't know why he's leaving with my truck that I'm loading wood into, but he's going somewhere, no idea where. Just comes and steals my vehicle. That's nice of him. Sam's out here dancing, and I'm going to continue to stack some more wood until it's raining too hard that I can't. But look at my pile. Look how good I'm doing. I got it as high as I could reach, so the very far end back there, I don't think I could reach much higher. So I'll just continue to level it out and go the next stack. And then I'm waiting on some more pallets from the guy at the home hardware as well. So hopefully I get some more pallets this week and can continue stacking more wood. Yes, sweetheart?
Before I dance in the rain.
Okay, what do you want to say?
So welcome to Mapleberry Farm. We're here at our house today, and we're still working on the house so we can live in it. And it's pouring rain.
It is pouring the rain, but it's a nice night.
Yeah, and I can dance in the rain. So dance in the rain.
Yeah. As soon as I get all this wood over on this side moved, we're gonna move this tent, and that has to be done by next Monday for when the driveway people come. We want this out of the way because he's coming with big trucks of gravel and stuff, and we want to have lots of room for him to turn around all in this space. So yeah, that'll be done sometime this week. That tent will be moved to the back of the house, thank goodness, because it's an eyesore. Oh good, he's returning my vehicle to me, I hope. Stinker. And then he'll probably sit on the deck and watch me load wood and tell me where to put it. Useless. Just kidding. But he actually did do that last night. He thought it was funny that he just sat there and told me where to stack it. I think I know. Anyway. So, yeah, successful day yet again.